In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to AllTrails so you can get hiking recommendations, trail difficulty levels, route maps, and personalized outdoor suggestions directly inside ChatGPT. Once it's connected, you can plan trips, compare trails, or discover new places to explore without ever leaving the chat. Let's begin. Start by opening ChatGPT. You can use the browser version or the desktop app. The process is identical. Once ChatGPT is open, look toward the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This icon is where you'll find all account level tools, including settings and app integrations. From the drop-down menu, select Apps and Connectors. This is the hub where you can browse, manage, and authorize third-party apps that work directly with ChatGPT. It's also where you'll find AllTrails. Inside Apps and Connectors, scroll until you locate AllTrails. Click on it to open the connection page. You'll see a short overview of what the integration does. Things like fetching trail data, showing difficulty ratings, and helping you find hikes based on your preferences. Click Connect or Authorize to link your ChatGPT account with AllTrails. If you're logged into AllTrails already, the connection happens instantly. If not, you may be asked to sign in. Once authorization completes, the app is fully connected and available inside ChatGPT. Now return to your main chat window. This is where the fun starts. Just type a natural prompt like, AllTrails, show me an easy sunrise hike near Denver. Find a dog-friendly trail under 5 miles with good reviews. Recommend a quiet beginner trail near me. ChatGPT will now pull real trail data directly from AllTrails and summarize it for you. Distance, elevation, difficulty levels, route descriptions, even seasonal notes depending on availability. You can continue the conversation to refine your search, compare trails, or ask for alternatives. Once you get used to it, planning hikes becomes incredibly smooth. Instead of jumping between apps, ChatGPT becomes your personal trail planner, powered by AllTrails' huge database, and that's all you need to do. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon, go to Apps and Connectors, choose AllTrails, authorize it, and then come back to chat to start exploring the outdoors right from your screen.